This tutorial covers how to log into the Cancer Fighters online community, how to reset your password, and how to register if you are not already a member. On cancerfighters.com, you will see two options at the top of the page: log in and sign up. If you are not already a Cancer Fighters member, we'd love to have you join us. It's free to join and available to anyone on the cancer journey: patients, caregivers, family, and friends. Here you'll find resources, upcoming events, and the ability to connect with fellow cancer fighters through discussions and groups. You can create an account by clicking Sign Up. You will find this page here. If there is already an account associated with your email, you will see an alert here. You can follow these prompts and click Register. If you are already a registered Cancer Fighters member, you can access the online community by clicking Log In. Your email address is your username. Simply enter your password and click Log In. If you need to reset your password, click on Forgot Your Password. Enter your email address and click Reset Password. A link will be emailed to you. Click on the link provided in the email. Follow the prompts, and you'll be prompted to create a new password. There are requirements for the password, and you'll know that you've met those when all 4 check marks are green. You can then re-enter your password and click Change Password. If you have any questions about your Cancer Fighters account, please reach out to the Cancer Fighters team for assistance. You can find contact information by scrolling down to the bottom of the page and click Contact Us. We look forward to seeing you in the online community. Be sure to explore the site and find connections. Thank you.